Hi everyone. I did a video today for a friend of mine. I sent it to her and I thought this would be great just to do a general video to show other people how I go through the level 2 and I use the most advanced tracking, the tracking list, the scan list on myself using a pendulum. Now, this is my favorite one to use because it's super light, and I basically go through the list. I did as Alan said, and I recorded the list. So I went through. This is the most advanced tracking. This is a level 2. Level 2 teaches about, how to do distance work. So what he suggested us to do is to go down the scan list and to record it into our own voice, speaking slowly, right? And you could do any kind of your muscle testing. Say if you want to do feet, if you want to do it like this, there's different types of muscle testing, right? I have a bobber as well, but I love to use the lightest pendulum. That's just, if there's no weight to it. I have a copper one. But that's heavy. I've got crystals, different ones, but I always clear it. Clear. You don't want anything attached to anything. Doesn't matter what you're using. Anyways, so I have it. I recorded the scan. This is just a voice recording. You can see I've got, and I just named it. It's just an app on my iPad and iPhone. And I went through and I recorded it. So now I don't have to say it, I just listen. And when I go down through, so let me show you. I've already got 4 things on here. So when it's listening, because I've asked it, show me a contraction to be like this, right? And if it's balanced, it's just going to be like this. And then a no is counterclockwise. But if it's balanced, it's just straight up and down. So hold on, let's see if we can do this. So I'll put the recording on and I'll finish. I'm halfway through, so don't mind the mess in the back. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's do this. My whole kitchen's an office. Okay, so I'm gonna press play on my recording of my own self reading the scan sheet off. Okay. So again, we're going to just make sure that show me a contraction, which means a yes, show me a no, and show me a balance. Okay, so let's go.
Gluteus medium, iliac crest, sigmoid, exophoid, ulna bone, radius bone, humerus bone, reservoirs, prepineal.
Okay, so reservoirs. So what I'll have to do, I put a little mark here on reservoirs. All the places where there's little red marks is where the pendulum said would be a contraction. So what I do, it says that it is number 55. So I would go to number 55 to the reservoirs, and they're all here, spot 55, and there's a whole bunch of them in there. So I don't have each one of those recorded, but I know, so I would just go down and I would say all the reservoirs, like which one do I need? Achilles, spleen, cavities, head of femur bone, renal capsule. So it's renal capsule, so I can read about it. I know that at the end, these are all the magnets that I'm going to have to place, is the renal capsule on the kidney. And I can say, is it the renal capsule on the right? No. Is it the renal capsule on the left? Yes. So I can just circle the left, because when I go back to it, I'm going to know it's the left-hand side. So I can continue. Scars, elbow, diaphragm, thoracic, esophagus, stomach, throat, gluteus, esophageal hiatus, tuberculosis reservoir. So I'm going to press that. So I'll go through the rest of them because he's got a lot of reservoirs here, like a lot. So I'll continue doing that. I'll continue doing that off video, but then I'll go back, right, to my scan list. Where was I at? And I have it on video here, like just the initial, or on recording. So where was I at? I was at reservoirs. Yes, because there's a red mark there. Let's continue.
Pineal, postpineal, hypophysis, eye, temple, ear canal, mastoid, cheekbone, tongue, jaw, parotid, thyroid.
I know it's the parotid. So I'm going to do that, and I know that I have to actually go and check that. When I'm all done the scan, I'll go back and I can write all the numbers down, like dengue come up, COVID or coronavirus strain came up. So all of these I will go at the end and I will check and I will clear them according to the protocol. So this is level 2, most advanced tracking. And guys, I take different courses. Like I love all of Alan's courses. I take some other courses. I'm obsessed with learning biomagnetism. And I just wanted to share how I do this, working on myself and doing it with a voice recording of me already saying the main scan. It's just a voice recorder that's an app on my phone. And I recorded it slowly, right? And you can use whatever muscle testing, but at least you're scanning yourself. I just wanted to share that. Okay, guys. Okay, bye.